recording?
Yeah.
Hi guys, it's the 28th and we're having beautiful weather. So I know you guys are jealous, especially Joey, Toby, Michael Tree. Let me show you our beautiful weather. This is 86th Street. Look how pretty, look over there, show them over there. And we came out to warm up the cars. Now we're gonna warm up this car. Show them how the cars are stocked. Unbelievable ugly weather, but it's not bad. It's like 39 degrees, almost 40 degrees. Very beautiful weather. We're going to check on our cars.
Start it up from here, I'm not going over there, it's too dark.
There's still cars all stuck since 2-3 days, but we cleaned up our street a little bit. Let me show you the nightmare. This is our office hour. Look at his cars are just stuck.
He hit the wall.
So I want to give the shout out to all the boys. Let's see who we got. We got George. We got Michael Archies. Cardan, I hate you. We got Harry White, Brucey, Charlie, Billy. Who else we got? We got Marcello. We got Ashley. We got Nikki Peets. I got so many friends I can't name everybody. Who we got? We got Bobby Beeper, Bobby Doo. I hate you right now. He's probably all in the warm little house, drinking a little tea. We're freezing outside. Let's see, who else? Michael Tree, Joey, and Toby. I really hate you right now because you guys are on the beach. Everybody knows you guys are in Florida, drinking, enjoying yourself, sakaratikarin. And you guys got good weather. God bless. Oh, all my friends. Well, as you know, our wedding has been postponed a little bit. So everybody should know our wedding is on the 10th. And we're going to eat and drink on the 10th. There's a little too much going on. It's too close to New Year's. We're going to have beautiful weather. So the snow is ugly, everybody. So I will see yous, all my Trenton boys, all my Washington boys, Atlantic City crowd, Philadelphia crowd, all my Florida friends, our Jersey crowd. It's just it's one of those things, but I look forward to seeing you to our wedding, the Chaze Pass. I got a lot of entertainment for our boys, and I can't wait to eat and drink with you. This is just a little bump in the road, but no big deal. We're New Yorkers, we're home, we'll get over it. I'll put on a divano. Pen pie and a kalaminga. So I drink some water. I drink a lot of water. Anyways, God bless yous. And I guess I will see yous at my wedding. I lied yous. I will see yous in church for New Year's Eve at Pastor Steve Miller. That's one of the most beautiful things you could do. Every year we're at church and we're at the pulpit. And at 12 o'clock we pray with our children. I thank God for that. So we're all going to be to Steve Miller we're going to be with Steve Miller. I'm sorry because it's freezing outside. We're all going to be with Steve Miller again. And then Staten Island Church, New Year's Eve, in the church in the back. So everybody enjoy yourselves and God bless yous. And I'll talk to yous later. God bless. guys, this is our side street. I want to show you the nightmare. This is one car. Show him, Josh. Too fast, Josh. You turned the camera. Come over here and show him this.
This guy's on a one way.
Look how much snow we got over here. Look at this.
Did he hit it that?
No.
His hood is up.
No, that's all working on the cars. Look at this. Look how big. Look at that pile. Look on that Gizzo's house. Look how thick. Unbelievable. Wow. And look at my car just to show you. Just gotta show you. My car's been parked in the same spot since the first day. My car is so cool that my car didn't even get snow on it. I didn't have to wipe it. Look at that, not one bit of snow.
I can't see that much because the car's black.
We'll take it from there. You can't even see. There's no snow on my car. So, even my car is cool. I didn't have to do it. Guess what? I'm happy. I'm too fat. I couldn't even do nothing.
Look at Marshall's. Look at Joe's driveway. Oh, you can't see from the camera. Alright, my hand is freezing.